friend. Today I am going to take you next class of maths. That is chapter 13, money. This is your new chapter. Today I am going to discuss you about this the money. Here, the first one is the identifying coins and rupees. So these some coins I have drawn, and these are the some notes I have drawn. So how you will identify these coins and the rupee, these notes I am going to explain. The first, these are coins. See, this is 50 paise coin. This is 1 rupee coin, and this is 2 rupee coin. This is 5 rupees coin, and this one is the 10 rupees coin. So you can just write here 50 paise. This is 50 paise, and this is 1 rupee coin. This is 2 rupees. 2 rupees. 2 rupees. 5 rupees. And this is 10 rupees. I think all of you have seen these coins. This is 50 rupees, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, and 10 rupee. And this one, this is 1 paise. This one is 2 paise, 5 paise, 10 paise, 20 paise, 25 paise. These coins are not used nowadays. Okay. This one is 1 paise coin. 1 paise, 2 paise, 5 paise, 10 paise, 20 paise, previously these coins are used, but nowadays these are not used. Okay, but these 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10, nowadays these coins are used. Now our notes. These are our notes. That is, first one is 1 rupee note. That is right, 1 rupee, and this is 2 rupee note. This is 5 rupee note. 10 rupees. This is 20 rupees. 50 rupees. And this one is 100 rupees. 500, and this one is 2000. Okay, these notes I am going to just show you from your book. The see, these are coins. This is 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, and these are unused coins. But previously these coins are used. That is 1 paise, 2 paise, 5 paise, 10 paise, 20 paise, and 25 paise. And these all are notes. See, the first one is 1 rupee note. This is 2 rupees, 5 rupees, then 10 rupees. This one is 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 500 rupees, 2000 rupees. These notes, I think all of you have seen these notes. Okay. Then here to write, generally Indian money consists of rupees and notes. The symbol of the Indian rupee is, this is the symbol of Indian rupee. Okay, and the money we use in the form of coins and notes. Coins are made of metal and notes are made of papers. Okay. See, Indian money generally consists of rupees and notes, and the symbol of the Indian rupee is rupee. The money we use comes in the form of coins and notes, and coins are made up of metal and notes. Coins are made up of metal and notes are made up of papers. Okay. So see, I am just going to show you one thing. If we just take 50 paise, 250 paise makes 1 rupee. 250 rupees makes 1 rupee. Okay. Then, like this way, 5 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee, and 1 rupee. It makes the 5 rupees notes. Okay. See, this 250 paise coin makes 1 rupee, and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 1 rupee coin makes the 5 rupees. Okay. Like this way you can just know the addition of